Okay, so we have started the recording just in case, some students require it later on, those who have missed out, right? So good evening, everyone. I'll just introduce myself. Some of you are very well known to me. I've been to your colleges for different sessions like aptitude and soft skills, right? And those who are new, my name is Amit Kshirsagar, right? Okay, so people are joining. Okay. Yes. So my name is Amit Kshirsagar. I'm the founder of KATEC. KATEC stands for Kshirsagar's Aptitude Training and Education Center. So I will tell you about KATEC as well. So let me just share my screen with you guys. Yes. Guys, in between, if you have any doubts, right, you can definitely post in the chat box, right? Chat box is there, or you can unmute yourself and directly ask me any questions, right? So I'll just give a brief introduction about KATEC. Don't worry, we'll cover that time later on, right? Okay. Okay. Yes. So KATEC stands for Kshirsagar's Aptitude Training and Education Center, as I told you, right? Also, I'll tell you about myself as well, going down the line. So we conduct, yes, so this is about me. So I've done my MBA from SIBM Pune, which stands for Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, which is one of the top 10 MBA colleges in India, right? That's the topmost college through SNAP. You require a score of 99 percentile plus in SNAP, and you need to clear the GDPI rounds, right? I've been in the teaching industry for around 2.5, 3 years now, right? Prior to this, I was the Unacademy Center Manager for Pune Center for 2 years, right? And 8 months back, I started KATEC. Before that, I did my MBA in marketing, and before that, I've done my computer science engineering from SPIT Mumbai. I'm also a 99 percentiler in all the MBA entrance exams like CAT, SNAP, NMAT, MBA, CET, CMAT, and I've cleared most of the banking and government job exams like SBI PO, IBPS PO, SSC, SBI Junior Associate, etc. Right? So we conduct aptitude and soft skills sessions at colleges, right? As most of you know, under aptitude we cover quant, logical reasoning, data interpretation, and verbal ability. We also conduct entrance exams preparation at our center, which includes MBA entrance exams like CAT, SNAP, MBA, CET, NMAT, CMAT, TISNET, IFT, ZAT, etc. And BBA entrance exams if you are planning to do your MBA after 12. For example, IPMAT, SET, NPAT, DUET, CUET, BMCC. And we also cover banking and government jobs entrance exams, right? Okay. We also specialize in group discussions and personal interview preparations. Recently, I've conducted a lot of mock personal interviews at MBA colleges, top MBA colleges in Pune for their placements. So whether you are pursuing your educational degree or whether you are out of your college or looking for a job, we train students for personal interviews. Very specifically, it's a 40-45 minute program where we give detailed analysis of your interview skill set, right? And we also train for group discussions. Okay. Yes, this is the interview, same thing. Now, coming to our main thing, guys, ChatGPT and AI tools. This is one of the most happening things in the market these days. You must have heard a lot, ChatGPT, AI aa gaya hai, right? Mujhe log replace kar denge. What do I do? Now everything is getting automated. Sorry. Yeah. So what do you do? So see, basically, it is not AI that will replace you. It is the people who are using AI that will replace you. If people are very good at using AI tools and ChatGPT, those are the ones who are going to replace you because the skill set that is required is to use AI tools, right? Because ultimately manual interference is necessary, right? Everything cannot be automated. There are certain decisions which need to be taken as per your thinking capability, and manual intervention will be necessary, right? So you should be very good at using AI tools so that you can use them to your advantage, right? Before we start, if you join from phone, it is absolutely okay. You do not need to take notes also. I will be sharing this entire presentation with you guys. Okay, it's entire presentation in PDF formats. I will be sharing with you guys where all the tools are given in detail, right? And all the steps to implement everything is given in detail, right? So you do not need to take down anything. Just enjoy whatever I'm going to tell you. And Yes, the list of AI tools will be shared with you for your future reference as a part of the workshop. Get ready to learn the best AI tools and become a 10x version of yourself, right? So, supposingly you are taking 10 hours of time to do a particular task right now. After learning all these tools, you can do it in 1 hour, right? So, that is 10x efficiency, right? So, let us see how you can go about it. What you will learn today, you will learn to massively increase your productivity, leverage AI in personal and professional life. If you guys are students, then then in academics, etc. If you guys are working in your professional life, in your job, etc. How to perform well in academics, right? Keep your job and also get a promotion and salary hike. There are a lot of people who have got promotion and salary hikes by using these latest AI tools, right? And good salary hikes. Okay. Yes. So massively increase your productivity, leverage AI in personal, professional life, perform well in academics, keep your job, salary hike. And what are the key pointers that we are going to learn today? First, to create amazing PPTs in 5 minutes, right? I had shared a sample video with you guys, those who were there in the college group, right? A sample video where you could see I made that entire PowerPoint presentation just in 30 seconds, right? Just in 30 seconds. Imagine the amount of time you guys will save, if you are able to use this kind of a skill set, right? Second, to improve speech and communication, right? Now definitely here what we usually advise is interact with friends and do your mock interviews with friends, rehearse your speech in front of friends. But friends are not the correct people for that, because are they capable enough to do that? Do they have that credibility, right? Because whatever inputs they are giving you, right, are they correct or wrong? You don't know, because they are your friends and they are almost at the same level as you. So you need some perfectionist to do that work for you. So we will find an AI tool who can do that for you. Okay. Next, third will be AI for research and project work, right? For whatever research you want to conduct, you don't need to go and scan Wikipedia and Google and everything. You can get proper point-wise research done in ChatGPT. And whatever your projects, your task, your assignment, semester-wise, year-wise, you can do that also. Okay, how to read PDFs and books. This is also very important. Supposedly there are very huge PDFs, right? Huge PDFs. There is a lot of data and you don't want to go through the entire PDF, to try to find out that one answer that you need. So what you can do is you can just upload your PDF in one place in an app that I'll tell you, right? And you can type in the question and you will get the answer for that. So that AI tool will read that entire PDF for you, right? And answer your question. So you don't need to go through the hassle of doing that. And AI to code and debug, right? If we have any engineers out here, a great tool for you guys, without actually knowing any kind of language. Even if you're non-engineers, you want to implement a certain, you want to create an application, or you want to type in certain code in a certain language. There are several languages, C, C++, Java, Python, R, etc. Now, not everyone can have knowledge regarding everything, right? Even if you're an engineer or a non-engineer. So we will see how you can write codes in different languages, and also how to debug them. Supposingly you have written a code in a particular language and you don't know what exactly the error is and you're not getting the output for that, right? Then you paste that code over there and that AI tool will find out the error for you and tell you what is the correct code for that, right? How simple and efficient it is, and it will be great for you to use all these tools. And imagine the kind of productivity you will have in your life in general, right? Okay. Yes. So before we start with the first pointer, which is creating mind-blowing presentations. Yeah. Yes. All of you, are you good till here? Everyone, everything is audible. Everything can be seen. Are you understanding the concepts that I'm explaining?
Yeah? Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, great. Yes. So what are the steps in creating mind-blowing presentations? Yeah. Okay. So what are the steps to create a PPT? First of all, you do research. Supposingly there is a topic. Basics of communication skills is the topic. Business communication is a chapter that you have in your academics, and basics of communication skills. तो पहले क्या करोगे? Research करोगे, Google पे जाओगे, basics of communication skills थोड़ा ढूंढोगे, data जमा करोगे. You will get that data and paste it in a Word document. Then you'll do the formatting, you will arrange it in proper sequence. ये repeat हो रहा है, ये repetitive हो रहा है, इसको हटाना है, इसको डालना है, right? All these things you will do, right? After that, you will create an outline for a PowerPoint presentation. कि चलो पहले introduction होना चाहिए, फिर बीच में ये 2-3 section होने चाहिए, types of communication होने चाहिए, importance of communication, right? And everything you will give, and then you will have concluding slides जिसमें आप conclusion बता रहे हो, recommendations बता रहे हो, कैसे improve करना है, वो सब बता रहे हो. So this is an outline, right? And then you design the actual presentation, guys. Then you will design the actual presentation कि जो मैंने पेपर पे लिखा है, I need to convert that into actual PowerPoint slides. Yeah. तो ये सब आप करोगे. तो what is the average amount of time you guys need to make this kind of PPT? Yes, can you guys tell कितना टाइम लगेगा इस चीज को करने में?
1 hour.
10 to 10 minutes.
Yes. So can you guys type it? Someone says 1 hour. Yes. टाइप करो, जिसको जितना टाइम लगेगा टाइप करो, एंड वी विल सी व्हाट इज द चेंज दैट यू हैव गॉट इन योर क्रिएटिविटी स्किल्स. यस, टाइप करो. लोकेश says 45 minutes. ओके, 45 minutes लोकेश बोल रहा है. व्हाट एल्स? अनिकेत says 30 minutes. Because we have research. Okay. What else, guys? Jay says 1 hour. Yes. Okay. Fine. तो देखो राउंड अबाउट, यस, हर्षाली says 1 hour. राउंड अबाउट क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग? 1 घंटा लगेगा, राइट? 1 घंटा लगेगा. लेकिन इनफैक्ट आपको 1 घंटे से ज्यादा भी लग सकता है, कम भी लग सकता है. डिपेंड्स अपॉन द काइंड ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन यू आर मेकिंग. तुम लोग खाली टेक्स्ट चिपका रहे हो एक स्लाइड पे 1 2 1 2 1 2, देन इट विल टेक लेस अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. बट इफ यू आर प्रॉपरली डिजाइनिंग इट विद गुड बॉर्डर्स, गुड डिजाइन एंड एवरीथिंग, गुड फॉन्ट एंड टेक्स्ट साइज एंड कंक्लूजन और ये सब वो सब, तो फिर आपको बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ मच रिसर्च एंड हाउ मच डेप्थ यू आर गेटिंग इनटू. बट राउंड अबाउट एवरीवन इज सेइंग 1 hour फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्रेजेंटेशन, राइट? अभी देखो, ये तो सिर्फ बेसिक्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स जिसका डेटा अवेलेबल है, राइट? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू इंप्लीमेंट ए केस स्टडी. ठीक है, हम लोग एक केस स्टडी करेंगे जिसके लिए तो 7-8 घंटा मिनिमम लगता है इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन अ कॉर्पोरेट, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द केस स्टडी? इमेजिन यू आर वर्किंग इन फ्लिपकार्ट. तुम लोग कहाँ काम कर रहे हो? फ्लिपकार्ट में काम कर रहे हो. एंड Amazon हैज जस्ट लॉन्च द ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल, राइट? तो Amazon ने क्या लॉन्च किया? ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल लॉन्च किया. आप लोगों को पता है व्हाट इज ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल? पता है ना? यस गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can unmute
Yes,
and
sir.
answer. No, yes, okay. So जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट का बिग बिलियन डेज होता है, Amazon का ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल होता है, जहां पे देयर आर बम्पर्स, ऑफर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. 50% 60% ऑफ होता है. लोग बहुत ज्यादा खरीदारी करते हैं बल्क में. ओके, सो योर मैनेजर हैज कॉल्ड यू. You are working in Flipkart, okay? Your manager has called you and asked you to create a detailed PowerPoint presentation, detailed PPT by tonight on the Amazon's Great Indian Festival and its implications on Flipkart's business. ठीक है? तो आप Flipkart में काम कर रहे हो, Amazon ने Great Indian Festival लॉन्च किया है. आपको एक डिटेल्ड PowerPoint प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है आज रात तक, जिसमें Amazon का ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल के बारे में डिटेल्स होनी चाहिए और उससे फ्लिपकार्ट के बिजनेस को क्या फायदा होगा, क्या नुकसान होगा, व्हाट आर द इम्प्लीकेशंस ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट बिजनेस. दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. ये ऐसा पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन है नहीं कि जो जनरल टॉपिक है, बेसिक्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, आपने रिसर्च किया और तुरंत डेटा आ गया. इसमें दिमाग लगाना है आपको, राइट? कि Amazon ने ये सब किया तो फ्लिपकार्ट के बिजनेस पे क्या क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, राइट? तो इसमें सबसे ज्यादा आपको टाइम लगेगा, राइट? बट व्हाट इफ AI कैन डू इट फॉर यू, क्रिएट एन आउटलाइन फॉर यू, राइट? कि आपको ये सारे पॉइंटर्स देखने चाहिए. सो हाउ मच टाइम वुड इट टेक फॉर यू टू क्रिएट अ पीपीटी ऑन दिस टू बी प्रेजेंटेड टू टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट? तो जैसे जनरल इसके लिए आपने 1 hour बोला, तो इसके लिए कम से कम 3-4 hour लगेंगे, राइट? Okay, so we will see how to optimize that. Steps to make a PPT, research, outline, and design. So the tool we are going to use for research, all of you know ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT सबको पता है. Not necessarily. Also, guys, before we go on, I'll tell you all the apps that I'll be telling you during this session, during this workshop, will be absolutely free, right? ये मेरे खुद के apps नहीं है. Firstly, let me clear. Some of the students thought कि मैं free में दे रहा हूँ ये app. ये मेरे खुद के एप्स नहीं है, these apps are existing and you do not need to purchase them. This is the best part. ये सब आप फ्री में जीमेल लॉग इन करके आपका राइट गूगल से लॉग इन करो और फ्री में यूज करो, राइट. दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट. ओके फाइन. चैट जीपीटी, this is what we'll be using for research. Okay. Yes. So we'll go to ChatGPT. Okay. Yes. ओके सो अपने को पहले तो Amazon's ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल के बारे में डिटेल्स निकालनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि हम फ्लिपकार्ट है तो हमें उनके बारे में नहीं पता होगा, तो अपने को नॉलेज निकालना पड़ेगा, तभी हम फ्लिपकार्ट पे क्या इंप्लीकेशंस होंगे वो देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू गिव अ प्रॉम्प्ट टू ChatGPT. गिव मी ऑल द डिटेल्स दैट यू नो अबाउट Amazon's ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल इन इंडिया. ओके. Okay, and then you click on enter. Okay, so you can see Amazon's Great Indian Festival, all the details have come up, right? But this information is not sufficient for us, right, to make an entire PPT or find the implications on Flipkart. So what we do is we ask ChatGPT, to give all in detail, right, all the pointers in detail, so that it will enhance all the pointers. Now the thing with ChatGPT is आप जितना पूछोगे वो आपको उतना ही देगा, राइट. आपको उसको बताना पड़ेगा कि आई वांट एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग. Prompt engineering is the art of speaking with AI tools, right? If you can give appropriate commands to AI tools to extract appropriate information from them, right, or relevant information from them, is the art of prompt engineering, right? This is the field that is coming up. ठीक है, तो आपने ये बोला. उसके बाद what you do is expand upon all the points you have given me. Now what you do is expand upon all the points you have given me. Okay, you put an enter. Fine. Now see what it is doing. It is expanding upon all the pointers. जैसे उसने डेट दिया था शुरू में, तो अभी उसमें expand किया है. See, the Great Indian Festival typically takes place during the festive season in India, which includes major festivals like Diwali and Dasara. The specific dates for the event can vary from year to year and are usually announced by Amazon closer to the time. Discounts and deals में उसने expand किया है, right? Product launches, payment offers, EMI options क्या होते हैं उसमें, Prime member benefits क्या होते हैं, exchange offers क्या होता है, fast delivery क्या होता है, ये सब उसने दिया है, right? Now it has expanded upon all that. Now what we want is, now हम उसको बोलेंगे actual काम. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Act, as you can see, what is written over here, what is the command I've given? Act as a marketing manager working in Flipkart, which is Amazon's competitor. तो उसको बताना पड़ेगा कि वो Amazon का competitor है, right? वो कोई मतलब हमें ये मैनुअली बताना पड़ेगा, right? It is an Amazon's competitor, to make it clear to ChatGPT. Flipkart has its own big billion days. Based on the above information, create an outline for an 8-slide presentation on Amazon's Great Indian Festival and its implications on Flipkart's business. Okay, तो हम ये उसको prompt देंगे. See, I have this everything saved, right, guys? But I want to do it actually in front of you, hands-on, so that you know that this actually works, right? ऐसा नहीं कि save करके कुछ रखा हुआ है. I want to do it in front of you. Act as marketing manager working in Flipkart, which is Amazon's competitor. And as you can see, मेरा ChatGPT Pro वाला नहीं है. It's not a membership one. It's a free one. Which is Amazon's competitor. Flipkart had its own big billion days. Based on the above information, create an outline. For an 8-slide presentation on Amazon's Great Indian Festival and its implications on Flipkart's business.
Sir, you forgot the manager word.
Yeah, just a second. Huh? Okay. ओके तो इसमें क्या है कि जरूरी नहीं कि आप सारा स्पेलिंग सही लिखो. सो मैनेजर डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू ऐड. ठीक है, मार्केटिंग पर्सन, मैनेजर, एग्जीक्यूटिव कुछ भी लिखोगे तो स्ट्रैटेजी तो सेम रहेगी. ठीक है, मैनेजर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, मतलब जो भी रोल है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक्ट एज अ मार्केटिंग मैनेजर. ठीक है, और बाकी अगर आप स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं भी करेक्ट करोगे ना तो इट विल मोस्टली गिव द सेम आंसर. ठीक है, लेकिन जस्ट टू मेक श्योर इट इज बेटर दैट वी गिव एक्चुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, act as a marketing manager working in Flipkart, which is Amazon's competitor. Flipkart has its own big billion days. Based on the above information, create an outline for an 8-slide presentation on Amazon's Great Indian Festival and its implications on Flipkart's business. Okay. तो हमने ये कमांड उसको दिया. Let's see what it does. Yes. So guys, have a look at that. Right? Slide 1 से slide 8 पूरा उसने बताया कि आपको क्या करना है. फर्स्ट टाइटल स्लाइड, टाइटल, सब टाइटल, योर नेम एंड लोकेशन, फ्लिपकार्ट लोगो. स्लाइड 2, स्लाइड 3, स्लाइड 4, स्लाइड 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has given a complete outline. It has prepared a complete outline for you to make the PowerPoint presentation. Right? Just think कि अपने को ये करने को कितना टाइम लग जाता. Right? It has given everything prepared for you. Right? Let us see आगे. Now what we will do is, now it has given this slide wise content to us. What we will do is we will create it into a PowerPoint presentation, right? So are you ready to convert this outline into a mind-blowing AI generated presentation in just 30 seconds? So what I'll do is I'll show you how to convert this into a PowerPoint presentation just in 30 seconds. The app that we will be using for that is gamma.app, right? Okay. यस, आपको खाली जीमेल से लॉगिन करना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं करना है. एवरीथिंग इज फॉर फ्री. यस, let it load. Yes. So what we do is once you enter gamma.app, right, you click on create new text transform. Right, generate में क्या है कि provide a topic and let AI generate you the first draft of doc, tech और web page. इसमें क्या है कि आप एक टॉपिक दो उसको, right, और वो खुद से ही उस टॉपिक पे पीपीटी बनाएगा. right, that is what is generate option. टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म कि हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अपना टेक्स्ट उसमें डालेंगे स्लाइड वाइज और वो उसका पीपीटी बना के हमको देगा. राइट, सो लेट अस सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म. यस, एंड दिस थिंग विल पॉप अप. Yes, that had come because I tried it yesterday, right? Okay, so this thing will pop up with blank. Now what you need to do is you need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, you go to ChatGPT, you copy paste all this over there. Slide 1 से लेके slide 8 तक. Yes, slide 1 to slide 8. Okay, so I see everyone is there. Good. Okay, fine. Okay, so there has been some issue with power over here in this area, and also some of the students also, said the same that they are having power issue. They wanted me to record the session, so maybe there's some problem today. So that's fine. So we'll resume with our session. Okay, I'll just share my screen with you guys. Yes. So where were we? I was saying we will use gamma.app, right? And how to use that app? Okay. So what we did is we were going to copy paste all the slide contents over here. So what we do is we go to ChatGPT, we copy paste all the slide content, right? And then we go to gamma.app and we paste everything over here, right? As you can see, everything has been pasted. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 8, right? Now you can see the magic. Now what you're going to do is, yes, what you need to do is you just need to click on generate, right? Yes, let us click on generate. Yes, what you need to do is you have a lot of options for themes over here, right? So what you can see on the right hand side, there are a lot of themes available, right? So I personally like the black theme. We can go with black theme, right? Maybe this one, right? And you just click on continue, right? Just click on continue and let us see what is happening, guys. Let us see this magic. Yes, just have a look at that. Look at the relevant images it is given, right? Yes, Flipkart's response, relevant images, right? All the content. Okay, right? So as you see, the entire presentation has been made, right? Now, supposedly, let us try something else once again. Okay, let us go back. Text transform. You paste the content. You want to generate it in some other thing, right? Okay. Supposingly, you want to go with this theme. Okay, let us see what it does. Yes. So in another theme, all the entire PowerPoint presentation has been made, right? Just within 30 seconds. Okay. Now, supposingly someone feels that ये text format में आ रहा है, I want it point wise, right? You want it to be point wise. Then what you do is you just select another theme, right? There are particular themes which gives the point wise content. So this is what I tried yesterday, right? And I got everything point wise. Now you need to select an appropriate theme for that, and you need to try and error करना पड़ेगा, right? Because there's no command over here to give everything point wise. कि मुझे point wise PPT चाहिए. But have a look at this. This is what I tried yesterday, and everything was point wise. Key highlights, sales data, and success stories, right? Implications on Flipkart's response strategy, marketing and promotions क्या करना चाहिए, customer engagement कैसा होना चाहिए, right? Conclusion and future dimensions, right? So this is amazing, guys. Also यहाँ पे बाकी options क्या है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Just if you go over here, text transform. You can also decide the length of the PowerPoint presentation. जैसे मैंने for example 8 किया, right? You can make it about 5 cards or 6 cards, or if you want it longer, you can also select that 12 cards, right? प्रेजेंटेशन का फॉर्मेट कैसे, डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए, वेब पेज चाहिए, प्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए, इमेजेस, इट यूजेस ऑल इमेजेस. You can select multiple options over there, and standard is standard PowerPoint presentation you get in this, and if you want to purchase, you can purchase the pro one also, that has additional features and gives a great PowerPoint presentation as well, right? So type in the chat box, like, guys, how many of you feel that this was fantastic? This is definitely going to help you in your project submissions, your assignments, class exercises, you know. Yes, guys, type in the chat box. How many of you think this is going to be useful for you guys? Or give a thumbs up. Yes, this can save a lot of time for research projects. Yes. Yes, Lokesh says best for education and assignments. Sunil has given a thumbs up. Sahil says definitely yes, sir. Okay. Yes, Jayesh, Himangi, Prachi, Lokesh. Great, guys. Great. Vidya, okay. Aniket, okay. Disha, great guys, great. Okay. So now coming to the advanced PowerPoint presentation. कि अभी हो सकता है you guys are in first, second year, third year, doing an MBA. Now someone who is into corporate, वो बोल सकता है कि नहीं यार, this is not advanced for me, right? I want to do and I want to make an advanced PowerPoint presentation. तो आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है, एक तो इसका प्रो खरीदो, राइट? मतलब मेरा कुछ लेना देना है नहीं इससे, इवन आई हैव परचेस्ड इट, लेकिन आपको चाहिए तो आप इसका प्रो खरीद सकते हो। दूसरा ये है कि आप उसको मैनुअल टचअप दे सकते हो। एक बार वो पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन आपको देता है, यस, सो वंस इट इज गिविंग यू दिस पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, also another great thing is guys, you can download this entire presentation. You just need to click over here and export पे क्लिक करना है और आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए कि पावर पॉइंट, दोनों ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पे। यू कैन एक्सपोर्ट इट एज अ पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन और पीडीएफ, राइट, एज पर योर विश। यू कैन डाउनलोड दैट एंड देन मैनुअली आप कुछ भी टचअप दे सकते हो। यू कैन एडिट द डेटा, बट एटलीस्ट योर स्ट्रक्चर हैज बीन प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर यू, राइट, एंड ऑल द बेसिक डेटा हैज बीन प्रिपेयर्ड। इसमें 2-3 लाइन ऐड कर सकते हो, यहाँ की इमेज चेंज कर सकते हो, कस्टमाइजेशन आपकी कंपनी का लोगो लगा सकते हो, कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स लगा सकते हो, ऑल दैट कस्टमाइजेशन you can do, but 70 to 80% of the task has been done for you guys, right? So this is one great example of how you can utilize AI in order to increase your efficiency. Okay guys, okay, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भी दिया है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा ताकि आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप याद रहे कि एक्चुअली हमने क्या किया था वर्कशॉप में, राइट? यू गो टू क्रिएट न्यू, यू टू टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म, देन यू कॉपी पेस्ट ऑल द चैट जीपीटी कंटेंट ओवर हियर, then yes, you get the PowerPoint presentation and you can export it as per your wish, right? Now let us go to the second tool that we are going to see, that is improving communication skills, right? So most of the guys struggle with speaking accurately in English, speaking correctly. Their vocabulary is not that good. They use incorrect words, grammatically incorrect. They use a lot of fillers, right? So in order to keep track of what you're saying and get a detailed analysis of what is it that you're speaking and what you should work on, right? This tool is very important, right? Improve communication skills and be like the top 1% of public speakers. You see politicians and are very good public speakers, right? Impress everyone in project presentations, office and client meetings, practice for interviews, speech and presentations, right? A lot of you guys are from BBA, you will be going in for your MBA program, you'll need to give interviews, right, etc., right? Also those who are going for a job, you need to give interviews, you need to give speech sometimes, and you need to present definitely, right? So all this will help in all of these tasks. Okay, so the app that you're going to use for that is app.udly.ai. Okay, app.udly.ai. So let us go to this app. Yes, app.udly.ai. Yes, so I've already signed in, guys. So what you can see, there are a lot of options over here. Yes. So there is a lot of content also with regards to interview tips, warm-up exercises, fundamentals of public speaking. Public speaking, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. So you go to dashboard. Let us see what all do they have. Okay. You click on practice now. Okay. Okay. Supposedly you want to go about speech practice. So there are multiple options: speech, interview, so and so, so and so, so and so. Right? Camera or audio permissions needed. So guys, I think I'll have to turn off my camera. I think I'm using it for Zoom. That's why it's not allowing. Yes. So all of you can see now it's working fine, right? Now I've given it camera access and it says speech practice, right? So if you click on start practice, I can see whatever I want to, right? And it will give me corrections in that, right? So yes. Maybe I can, just give my introduction and let us see what all corrections it provides, right? Yes. So hello everyone, my name is Amit Kshirsagar. I am from Aurangabad. I did my schooling from there. After that, I did my junior college from Aurangabad, Devgiri College, where I was preparing for IIT JEE at Kota during this time. And after that, I did my computer science engineering from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Post that, I was preparing for civil services, MPSC, UPSC for 2 years. Right. And after that, because I was good at aptitude, I decided to go in for an MBA program, and I did my MBA from SIBM Pune. Right. Post that, I was working at L&T Infotech for 2 years as a business development executive. And after that, I decided to go switch my career in the education sector, and I decided to opt for the center manager role at Earn Academy, Pune Center. And recently, I've started my own institute. Okay, so let us see what insights it gives. So it says title your speech, share with your friend. Okay. Analytics. Then you click on analytics, right? Okay, weak words. So what are the weak words I use? Right. So right is a weak word, right? So like like, right, all these are weak words. So, right. So all these are weak words. This you should be avoiding in your speech in order to become a perfect, spokesperson. Nice job. It's natural to have fewer than 4% weak words. So I had fewer than 4%. So it calculated the number of words in my speech, and it says I have less than 4% weak words. So it says 2% weak words, right? Filler words, 0%. I did not use you, so that's 0%. Okay. Non-inclusiveness, conciseness, 18% excess it says. So it also reads it out for you.
Hello.
So it is.
Sorry, sir, interrupt you. Can you please explain once again?
Yeah, just a second, guys. Yes. So someone was saying something. Yes, you want me to explain again, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first, let us have a look at the analytics that it provides, right? You see 18% excess. What does it say? Nice job. It's totally okay to have less than 30% excess words. Okay. What could have been better? Okay. Sentence starter. Okay. So what it does is, guys, so it also gives you here's another way you could have said that. तो जो भी आप बोलोगे उसको और अच्छे तरीके से कैसे बोल सकते हो? और ऑब्वियसली औरंगाबाद डिडंट कैप्चर प्रॉपर नाउंस में ऑब्वियसली तुम समझो कि अभी थोड़ा एआई टूल है, सब कुछ एग्जैक्टली कैप्चर करके एग्जैक्टली नहीं बताता है, but it does suggest improvements, right? So this is the rephrase version it has given you to improve clarity and impact by breaking down the information into shorter, concise sentences. This helps the audience follow along more easily and grasp each point clearly. Additionally, specific details have been included, such as mentioning the degree pursued, which adds depth to the speaker's background. ठीक है, तो इम्प्रूव वर्जन भी ये आपको बताता है, राइट? पॉइंट वाइज उसने इंफॉर्मेशन बताया कि मैंने क्या बोला एक के बाद एक सेंटेंसेस, एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट डज. सो व्हाट विल डू इज सम ऑफ द गाइस वांट टू सी इट अगेन, सो लेट्स ट्राई वन मोर टाइम. अभी इस बार क्या करता हूँ मैं, ज्यादा फिलर वर्ड यूज करता हूँ, अ आ ई, लाइक लेट अस सी. So you just click on start practice, right? Okay. So I was going to the town, but I decided to not go because my friend was going to come over to my place, and we wanted to see the match that was going to take place between India and Australia. And the World Cup is going on really well, and India is performing well. And let us see if India can grab this World Cup this time, right? So yes, all the best to Team India, and let us see how they do. Okay. So after that, you click on done speaking. You click on save UD. Okay. You click on save UD, And then what you do is, then you click on analytics, right? Okay. So what it does is repetition, 2 repetitions. Okay. Right? 4% of the words were repetitions. It says filler words, 14 filler words, right? So definitely I was trying to purposely use filler words. 9 times it says I use 3 times, 1 time okay, 1 time, right? So it is exactly calculated. So this has to be very less. So obviously, filler words should be 0%, right? That is when you are very good at communication skills. So you can keep a track कि कितनी बार मैं filler word use कर रहा हूँ, use. So some people use like. जहां तक मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है, कुछ लोग लाइक यूज करते तो लाइक यूज करते, कुछ लोग यूज करते यूज करते हैं. तो स्पेसिफिक फिलर वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हर कोई यूज करता है, राइट? सो यू कैन कीप अ ट्रैक कि मुझे ये कॉन्शियसली नहीं बोलना है. एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस डेली till the point you realize that it's 0%, right? Weak words. Right मैंने यूज किया, I mean मैंने 2 बार यूज किया. I mean doesn't have any sense. You just take time to think of the sentence that you want to say and think about the knowledge, right? So that is I mean. Really, so right, these are weak words. Okay. फिर कंसाइसनेस 59% एक्सेस कि भाई जो मैं शॉर्ट में बोल सकता था वो 59% एक्सेस मैंने वर्ड यूज किया है. दिस इज व्हाट इज सेइंग. ओके. 40% ऑफ योर सेंटेंसेस स्टार्टेड विद एंड, राइट? तो सेंटेंस की शुरुआत कुछ अच्छी होनी चाहिए, एंड से तो नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. So this is what it is telling me, right? So someone had a doubt. You wanted to see it again. So is it short now? All good to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yes. Others who have not, who have seen this and don't have any doubts, can you tell me in the chat box if this tool is useful in order to improve your communication skills and speech? Yes, guys. Yes, Lokesh says yes. Sunil says yes. Right? Free of cost. Communication skills, English language improve हो रही है. Vidya says yes. Right? Yes, Imangi, Disha. Yes. No need to practice in front of friends. Aisha says extremely useful. Harshali says yes. Right? Friends की जरूरत नहीं है. You have a perfectionist with you. So detail में आपको बता रहा है कितना % कौन सा वर्ड आप बोल रहे हो और कौन सा वर्ड नहीं बोलना चाहिए और इसको अच्छे तरीके से कैसे बोल सकते हो. लोकेश, अनिकेत, yes, great guys. Prachi, okay, fine. ठीक है. So what we'll do is, yes, so this was the app. मैंने आपको बताया जब आप पहली बार लॉगिन करोगे यूट्यूब में तो ऐसा ये स्क्रीन दिखेगा आपको, राइट? मीटिंग के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, इंटरव्यू के लिए कर सकते हो, राइट? अपकमिंग, दिस इज मीटिंग्स, इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन, अपकमिंग स्पीचेस, एंड आई एम अ कम्युनिकेशन कोच. तो मैं कोच के हिसाब से अपने आप को ट्रेनिंग देना चाहता हूँ, राइट? तो उस हिसाब से आप ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, right? And this will be the steps, tell us about yourself. If you go in interview practice, I was doing speech practice. If you go in interview practice, you will see all these questions, tell us about yourself. और फिर वो बताएगा कि कैसे आपने बोला, क्या करना चाहिए. पेसिंग भी आपको बताता है, could improve. पेसिंग आपका फास्ट था, could improve. मतलब थोड़ा स्लो करना पड़ेगा. Filler words 2% थे, rambling was 5 words you rambled through, right? Okay. Interview preparation can be fun and adjustment free. ये मैंने कल ट्राई किया था, right? So these are the results. Weak words पता चलते हैं, filler words, conciseness पता चलती है, जैसे हमने देखा. So these are the sample screenshots I've given you so that you remember कहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है. Okay. Next, what we do is now we come to the third tool, guys, which is AI for research work and projects. लंबे PDF से आपको पढ़ना है, आपको इसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, आपको कोई बुक पढ़नी है, नॉवल पढ़ना है, कुछ टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट की किताबें हैं, PDF पढ़नी है, राइट? Yes. So I just switched on my video back again. Okay. So technical subjects की किताबें कुछ पढ़नी है, आपको इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, तो you can use this tool chat-with-pdf.ai. chat-with-pdf.ai. Okay. हाँ, ठीक है. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपनी PDF डॉक्यूमेंट डालनी है. सपोज आई विल ब्राउज माय कंप्यूटर, राइट? Recently I conducted certain sessions at a college, right? चलो तो हम ये डालते हैं, मान लो चलो इंटरव्यू स्किल्स डालते हैं, लेट अस ओपन दैट, इंटरव्यू स्किल्स का एक डॉक्यूमेंट डालते हैं, ठीक है, ओके, सो इट्स गेटिंग रेडी। ओके, राइट, तो देखो ये पूरा पीडीएफ अपलोड हो गया है यहाँ पे, राइट, पीडीएफ अपलोड हो गया, ठीक है। अभी उसने वो पीडीएफ पूरा पढ़ लिया, उसने पूरा पीडीएफ पढ़ लिया है, उसने अपने को क्वेश्चन भी सजेस्ट किया है, अगर हमको क्या पूछने के, मतलब इट इज सजेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन दैट कैन आस्क इट कि व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ अ बिहेवियरल इंटरव्यू, हाउ डज द पैनल इंटरव्यू डिफर फ्रॉम अ ट्रेडिशनल वन ऑन वन इंटरव्यू, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कंडक्टिंग ग्रुप इंटरव्यू फॉर इवैल्यूएटिंग कैंडिडेट्स, ठीक है। तो चलो हम ये देखते हैं कि पैनल इंटरव्यू डिफर कैसे करता है वन ऑन वन इंटरव्यू से, ठीक है। तो आई सिलेक्टेड दैट क्वेश्चन, yes, so it is typing, let us see what it gives. This is the standard one-on-one interview where the interviewer asks a series of predetermined questions. Okay. In a panel interview, multiple interviewers from different departments or roles question a single candidate. तो उसने बताया कि one-on-one interview asks series of predetermined questions, और panel interview और multiple interviewers are taking the interview. और ये क्या किया उसने, exactly पेज नंबर भी दिया हुआ है कि कहाँ पे ये उसको आंसर मिला, ये पेज नंबर 1 पे उसको मिला, राइट, पैनल इंटरव्यू, पेज नंबर 2 पे मिला उसको, राइट, ओके, ओके, पेज नंबर 2 पे थोड़ा एक्सटेंड होता है शायद, इसीलिए उसने पेज नंबर 2 दिया है, ओके। सो व्हाट वी डू इज, नाउ लेट अस आस्क इट, सपोज वी वांट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, राइट, हमको चाहिए तो हम उसको क्वेश्चन लिख के देते हैं, व्हाट इज द टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, ऑल्सो यू शुड नो व्हाट यू वांट टू आस्क दैट एआई, ओके, वो डॉक्यूमेंट में होना भी चाहिए, नहीं तो डॉक्यूमेंट में है नहीं और आप उससे कुछ भी पूछ रहे हो, दैट विल नॉट वर्क, व्हाट इज द टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, ठीक है। Okay? तो उसने क्या किया, टेक्निकल इंटरव्यूज आर कॉमन फॉर पोजीशंस दैट रिक्वायर स्पेसिफिक टेक्निकल नॉलेज, कैंडिडेट्स आर आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन और गिवन प्रॉब्लम्स टू सॉल्व, purpose is to assess candidates technical competence, problem solving ability, and example, a software developer might be asked to write code or solving coding challenges during an interview. देखो उसने पूरा बताया डिटेल में कि क्या होता है, पर्पस क्या है, एग्जाम्पल क्या है, पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट उसने रीड किया और टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू के बारे में बताया, राइट। सो हाउ गुड इज दिस, आप कोई भी पीडीएफ अपलोड करो, आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है, राइट, आप पूछ सकते हो। स्टार टेक्निक फॉर बिहेवियरल क्वेश्चन, चलो मान लो ये पूछते हैं मुझसे, व्हाट इज द स्टार टेक्निक, राइट, क्वेश्चन होता है 5 मार्क का, व्हाट इज द स्टार टेक्निक, राइट, तो हमको बस उसी का आंसर जानना है उससे, वी डोंट वांट टू गो थ्रू द एंटायर पीडीएफ, व्हाट इज स्टार टेक्निक। Yes, the STAR technique is a structured approach used to answer behavioral interview questions, right? Okay. यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, STAR technique और behavioral questions, right? Where it got it, page number 5 it says, right? 5 of 7 पे उसको exact information कहाँ पे मिला वो पेज नंबर भी वो बता रहा है, right? Okay guys. Okay. So this is how you do it. So let's try for another PDF document. Also, guys, to be honest, I'll tell you, some of the PDF documents it doesn't work. मैंने try किया है बहुत. For some of the PDF documents it doesn't work. I don't know why. जो भी मैंने किया है, I think I tried around 7 to 8. For 1 or 2 it did not work. I think because it was too lengthy और उसका PDF साइज बहुत ज्यादा था, तो वो शायद अच्छे से अपलोड ही नहीं हुआ, इसलिए उसने एंड की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दी, शायद हो सकता है। Because these are not my tools, these are available for free in the market, right? मैं आपको बस बता रहा हूँ कि ये सारे टूल्स आप यूज कर सकते हो। It's getting the PDF ready. Okay. 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 ओके तो पीडीएफ हुआ है अपलोड बट फर्स्ट पेज ब्लैक दिख रहा है आई डोंट नो व्हाई ठीक है बट पीडीएफ हैज बीन अपलोडेड ये कैटेक का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है राइट ठीक है पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें दिया हुआ है तो लेट अस सी नाउ सपोजिंगली आई वांट टू नो कि टैगलाइन बियॉन्ड द स्काई एट कैटेक का उसका मतलब क्या है तो इट हैज गिवन अ सैंपल क्वेश्चन हाउ डज द टैगलाइन बियॉन्ड द स्काई रिफ्लेक्ट कैटेक्स गोल्स एंड अप्रोच इन ट्रेनिंग ठीक है तो देखते हैं हाउ डज कैटेक टैगलाइन बियॉन्ड द स्काई रिफ्लेक्ट कैटेक्स गोल्स एंड अप्रोच टू ट्रेनिंग सैंपल क्वेश्चन उसने दिया था Yes, CATEC strives to provide comprehensive training that expands student horizons beyond their immediate goals, empowering them to reach for the stars and beyond. Right? इसीलिए हमने बियॉन्ड द स्काई रखा है कि हम सिर्फ इमीडिएट गोल के लिए नहीं लॉन्ग टर्म गोल के लिए सोचते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वी वांट टू प्रिपेयर देम नॉट ओनली फॉर एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम और एन इंटरव्यू बट फॉर देयर एंटायर कॉर्पोरेट करियर अहेड राइट सो ये हमने पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट में दिया हुआ है वेयर इट सेज इट्स फाउंडेड इन page number 2 the tagline beyond the sky reflects CATEC's goals of equipping students with skills that prepare them for desired job and enable them to succeed throughout their career right तो पेज नंबर 2 पे मैंने क्लिक किया राइट यहाँ पे क्या दिया पेज नंबर 2 बियॉन्ड द स्काई टैगलाइन के बारे में दिया हुआ है राइट ओके यस गाइस मजा आया इसमें समथिंग न्यू यू गॉट टू लर्न chat with pdf.ai now you can upload big pdfs and try searching this yes please comment in the chat box guys did you find this tool useful yes guys Lokesh said yes Disha okay Aisha Upendra okay Jayesh Aniket great Himangi okay fine ठीक है तो आप आपके पढ़ाई के लिए ये सब यूज कर सकते हो अकाउंटिंग की बड़ी पीडीएफ से आपके पास मैनेजमेंट बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन जो भी है यू कैन अपलोड एंड फाइंड द आंसर्स डायरेक्टली योर 5 मार्क क्वेश्चंस व्हाटएवर इट इज राइट जो भी लोग कॉर्पोरेट में जॉब करते हैं इफ यू हैव बिग आरएफपीज यू नीड टू गो थ्रू एंटायर एवरीथिंग you need to go through these RFPs, request for proposals, and to find out certain chunk of a data. You don't need to go through it entirely. You can just type in your question and get the desired answer. Right? It will save hours of time for you guys. Right? 2 घंटा दिन का सेव करेगा मैंने पोस्टर में दिया था 2 घंटा ही नहीं मुझे तो लगता है ये कम से कम मिनिमम 5-6 घंटा दिन का सेव कर सकता है if you use all the tools together you can save minimum 5 to 6 hours per day right okay चलो next जाते हैं yes these are the steps आपको अपलोड करना है फिर आप यहाँ पे सर्च करके ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको देता है दिस इज सेंटेंस करेक्शन रूल्स मैंने ट्राई किया था सैंपल आपको दिख रहा है now the last section we come to that's coding and debugging right if you are an engineer or someone into technical background let us see how to write a code in any language python r c c++ java ruby etc without any coding knowledge right और अगर आपको coding knowledge है भी नहीं आप नॉन इंजीनियर हो आपको कोई भी कोड लिखना है कैसे लिखना है मैं आपको बताता हूँ work 10 times faster as a coding professional and get the majority of your work done by AI. Debug using AI. Debug का क्या मतलब होता है guys? Debug मतलब किसी कोड में एरर्स निकालना और उसको सही करना. That is debugging. इसमें सबसे ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होता है टेक्निकल पीपल का कि कोड लिखते 1 घंटे में डीबग करते 5 घंटे की कहाँ पे एरर है कहाँ पे एरर है जल्दी एरर नहीं मिलता है राइट दिस इज वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इज स्पेंट फॉर टेक्निकल पीपल राइट तो हम देखते हैं कि डीबग भी कैसे एआई करता है Now for this thing, for coding you need to use part.google.com. Okay? ये अभी टेस्टिंग फेज में है guys. It's by Google and it's in testing phase. part.google.com. ठीक है? चलो देखते हैं. Yes. So guys, because let me tell you honestly, because it's in testing phase now, तो ये कल से नहीं चल रहा है मैंने कल से ट्राई किया राइट बट ये कल से नहीं चल रहा है बट थैंकफुली आई हैड टेकन सर्टेन स्क्रीनशॉट्स व्हेन इट वाज वर्किंग इन द पास्ट मैंने ट्राई किया है, मैं आपको स्टेप्स बताता हूँ स्क्रीनशॉट्स के थ्रू। लाइव वो नहीं चल रहा है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, इट्स इन टेस्टिंग फेज। यहाँ पे लिखा भी है, देखो एक्सपेरिमेंट करके लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे। ओके, सी now what you type is give me a python code to do binary search and print one for test case, right? ये आपने लिखा, give me the same code in R, Java, C एंड C++। पाइथन में आपने कोड मांगा, उसने कोड देगा वो आपको, फिर आपको लिखना है गिव मी द सेम कोड इन R, Java, C, C++, वो भी आपको देगा, राइट? नाउ वेयर, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, नाउ वेयर यू नीड टू टाइप इज, देखो नीचे लिखा है गिव मी अ पाइथन कोड, यहाँ पे आपको टाइप करना है गिव मी अ पाइथन कोड टू डू बाइनरी सर्च एंड प्रिंट वन फॉर टेस्ट केस। उसके बाद उसने ये कोड मुझे दिया था, देखो कोड उसने मुझे दिया है। फिर मैंने क्या बोला है, गिव मी द सेम कोड इन R, Java, C एंड C++। ये लैंग्वेजेस देगा, ओके, दीस आर लैंग्वेजेस, आई वांट दिस कोड, सेम कोड इन अदर लैंग्वेजेस, राइट? उसके बाद वो बाकी इसमें भी आपको लैंग्वेजेस में कोड वो प्रोवाइड करेगा, उसका मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया है, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू डीबग योर कोड, debug code ये चल रहा है debug code.ai, I'll tell you to check for bugs in your code and correct without learning code। कैसे करना है मैं आपको एक सैंपल करके बताता हूँ। yes, I've gone to debug code.ai, ये देखो ये खुल रहा है, ठीक है? अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, गूगल पे जाता हूँ, गिव मी अ कोड इन जावा टू प्रिंट हेलो वर्ल्ड, मैंने ट्राई किया था टू प्रिंट प्राइम नंबर लेस देन 100। गिव मी अ कोड इन जावा टू प्रिंट प्राइम नंबर्स लेस देन 100, ठीक है? चलो ये कोई है वेबसाइट, लेट अस सी वहां पे कोड है क्या। यस, इतना ही कॉपी हो रहा है तो yes, so what I do is first you need to prime numbers, उसको नाम दे दिया मैंने, what is the extension for java code, डॉट जावा, ठीक है? चलो देखते हैं डॉट जावा डाल के, अब अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है मुझे डालने, ठीक, ओके। और एक लाइन हमारा बचा था, yes, now I've pasted the entire code completely, ठीक है? मैं क्या करता हूँ, ओके, now what I'll do is I'll remove this I++, ठीक है? ओके, एक्सप्लेन ब्रीफली व्हाट इट सेज इज, चलो मान लो वो एरर है, मैंने वो नहीं डाला है, वो क्या बोल रहा है, एक्सप्लेन ब्रीफली हियर ऑन व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद द कोड अबाउट, ओके, इट इज नॉट प्रिंटिंग प्राइम नंबर्स लेस देन 100, ठीक है? अभी उसको डीबग करने बोलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या करता है वो। आई एम डूइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब ये प्राइम नंबर के लिए, ओके। गाइस देखो, देखो, यस, guys, look at this, right? उसने क्या बोला, the problem lies in your prime cal function, you are not incrementing I, you are not incrementing I, increment मतलब ऐड करना, मतलब प्लस करना। उसने फिगर आउट किया कि I++ नहीं है वहां पे, और उसने here's how to modify your code, here's how to modify your code. और देखो आप नीचे जाओगे, I++ उसने खुद से डाला है, देखो it has put I++ in. उसने बताया कि आपके कोड में I++ नहीं है, उसने ये भी बताया कि कैसे आपको कोड मॉडिफाई करना है, राइट, और सही कोड क्या है वो भी बताया. अब मैं अगर अपने in wherever I'm making the code, if I copy paste this entire thing, the correct code is back on track, right, and I will get the desired output, right. क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं किया है वो भी उसने दिया है. The correct code has also been provided. So this is very useful for engineers, software engineers, right? Computer science, IT background, right? You can use this tools to debug all your codes and it will save hours and hours of your time, right? Yes. Okay, ये मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट दिया है. यहाँ पे हेलो वर्ल्ड के लिए मैंने कोड डाला था. ओके, नहीं ये एक सैंपल कोड है दूसरा वाला जिसमें एरर आया, उसने बताया आई हैव करेक्टेड दोज लाइंस फॉर यू, नीचे लिख के आता है और उसने करेक्ट किया. ये हेलो वर्ल्ड के लिए उसने बताया हियर इज द करेक्टेड वर्जन, राइट, हियर इज द करेक्टेड वर्जन ऑफ द हेलो वर्ल्ड क्लास इन जावा which will print hello world to the console, right. इसका हम एग्जांपल्स करते नहीं है because I don't think we have any specifically students who have joined this course who are from engineering background currently doing their engineering. I don't think we have such students. We have either from BBA, BCom or MBA background or someone who is doing a job, right? Okay. So what you learned today, guys, what you learned today, फिर से एक बार recap कर लेते हैं फटाफट, right? AI tools to massively increase your productivity, leverage AI in personal and professional life, how to perform well in academics, keep your job and also get a promotion and salary hike. Not only keep your job in today's AI market, but also get a promotion and a salary hike by using these AI tools, right? How to create amazing PPTs in 5 minutes to improve your speech and communication, AI for research and project work, AI to read PDFs and books in 2 minutes, and AI to code and debug, right? जो भी मैंने आपको पोस्टर में बताया था, मैंने आपको सब फ्री में अवेलेबल करके दिया है कि आप वो यूज कर सकते हो, राइट. आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑल द वेबसाइट्स, आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑल द एप्स, एंड जो भी मैंने पोस्टर में प्रॉमिस किया था वो आपको डिलीवर करके दिया है, राइट. Apart from the certificate which I will be posting on your group, right? Please stay in that group. I will be posting the certificates in the group and you can download your individual certificates. सोचो अगर आपके CV में ChatGPT and AI live workshop का certificate है, which is trending in the market, it will definitely add weightage to your CV, right? And it has more chances of getting shortlisted for any particular internship or job, right? And you can tell them these tools. कोई भी है, मैनेजर है, HR पर्सन है जो आपको रिक्रूट करने आया है, आप अगर उसको ये टूल्स 2-4 बता दोगे, he will be amazed by the kind of knowledge you have in AI, right? वो सोचेगा कि यार कौन बंदा है, कहाँ से आया है, he's doing everything in 5 minutes time, right? You can also teach them also if they want, right? Yes, I'll be sharing this PDF with you guys, right? Okay, so these are our social media contact details. You can connect with us on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, right? These are our contact details. This is our contact number. Counselor का है 93713502274, right? In case you are preparing for any of the BBA entrance exams, MBA entrance exams, कोई आप हो, आपका दोस्त है, आपका relative है, right? Relative का kid है, right? Who wants to prepare for MBA entrance exams, BBA entrance exams, banking exams, government job aptitude exams, you can contact this number, right? Also, we have another number. We have 2 email IDs. This is our address. We are located in Pune, right? 3 Hatti Chowk, Dhankavadi, Pune. If you stay close by, you can definitely enroll at KATEC, right? This is our website, www.katec.in. कभी भी कुछ भी लगता है, you can definitely check the details over there. We will also give you the details regarding other courses, other upcoming courses that will be provided by KATEC, right? Now, guys, let me know in the chat box, right? Did you guys really enjoy the session and you learned something new today? Sahil says, thank you so much, sir. Yes, Sahil is my previous student, right? Yes, he is my student from my previous institute. He has been in consistent touch with me. He is studying at Gokhale Institute currently. Yes. Good tools learned. Aniket says, sir, this AI website will definitely save my time for interview warm-up. Yes. Sahil says yes. Okay, Lokesh. Vidya says yes. Sahil, thank you so much. Lokesh is best lecture. Okay, guys. Good to see all of this. This is what I love. The love I get from you guys, this is what I love. Disha says yes, Jayesh says yes, Aisha says enjoyed and learned a ton of skills. Sunil says yes, Harshali, yes sir, surely we learned something we needed. Prachi says yes sir, thank you so much. Vaishnavi says yes, Lokesh also says yes. Okay, okay guys. So it was great being with you guys. You were a lovely audience for today's workshop, right? See you next time, right? In next workshop that we will be conducting. Until then, bye bye guys. Thank you so much for joining. Good luck to all of you. Thank you so much guys.